Hey, my people, no time to play that Python dance and Python dance too. No go work this evening. We're gonna go to the quad. I don't know, come with the time. I don't know, come with the sharp. I greet you, my wonderful people. How on a day be? No take this light to this one where this when they disturb yourself. Hit the like button and share the video as you're joining. Like and share the video as you're joining. This is that. And my people. Like and share the video, my people. I've been at TikTok go better. TikTok no good day now after I do am, so no need. I greet you, my people. Hit the like button and share the video. Like and share the video as you're commenting. I'm not seeing any comment too. Maybe comment don't disappear again. Can you people hear me? Let me use the second. Okay. Nnamdi, on phone they do. Oh, now go to watch. Keep quiet. No saying all those things they make their report to the work. Can't be like saying a bot account. They listen to the thing. Oh, now go to react. Shake body. If not blessed them. Nando, on phone they do. I see you. Kim is ZDK. But see as my eye red. Na uva wakao. Kai. Well done. I greet you now. Well done. Mazi my fan. Everybody now na Mazi. Mazi my fan. How far? Every non-Igbo now na Mazi na go. The way then they share the Mazi name na self. Every Ugo share Mazi Abdul, Mazi Danladi, Mazi Bako. That is why I see you. See, my people, I just want to play a little video. These criminals, remember the warning we've been warning since last week. We said every police formation needs to tighten their security. All the areas that are hotspots, they need to mount security. In fact, we need increased patrol in the southeast now. Increased patrol. If it will make a 1 hour journey to turn to 3 hours journey, let it be, but let there be peace in our land. Okay? Let there be peace in our land. They need to surround every military formation should be on red alert in the southeast now. This is where these people are taking this game to. We need the entire southeast militarized. Some of you may have seen the protest permits. So that day at the National Assembly, we are not going to hold back. We are not going to hold back. We are ready for everybody, for anybody and everybody. You shall say, go sit down. No, be by go sit down. Come that day. Come that day. Now from underground. In fact, your people, 2 months, they never see you. They no go hear from you. You will be treated like the terrorist you are. Umutogo. You would be treated as the terrorist you are. Age yige no be to the turn in the next tomorrow. So my people, I want to just play this video. This is what they did at Ebonyi State. In the freedom. In the freedom. Watch out. The Philip. Okay. See them.
On the way live to as you can see, that ghetto is burning now. It's burning. Burn everything. I don't want anything to remain. Burn it. Destroy them. Destroy everything. Destroy them. Destroy them. Sit at home. Nnamdi Kanu must be released. No Nnamdi Kanu. No peace. No Nnamdi Kanu. No peace happening at Ebonyi, Abakaliki, at Isheke market. On a life. Destroy all of them. As you can see it, everywhere is burning. Everywhere is burning. Sit at the home. Using Nnamdi Kanu must be released to all costs. On a life.
You know, go take now. You go see where they put their dead body. You know, go take. Now go see that they burn line of person keke wey person they use the also for in life. Yeah, this one they ask Nnamdi Kanu send them. Oh, no, be Nnamdi Kanu send them. You know when he starts it at. Well, don't worry, make I play video for make I plug. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Let me play audio for you. Let me give you now. Oh, you don't know if he sent them or not. No Wahala. Which one is the sit at home self? So now where they insult Yoruba people. Wait, are they find in video on sit at home? Oh yeah, watch him.
Shooting where again? Shooting in Okota. They are shooting also in Okota. People must go to the bush, ambush them. Go to the bush. You need to cut them off from the back, ambush them, take their guns from them and kill them. These are animals, are not human beings. They may be wearing police army. They are not human beings. These are terrorists from Niger. These are terrorists from Gambia. These are foreign terrorists from Chad. They are not human beings. Disarm them and kill them. If you allow them to scare you off the streets, your life is over. Your life is over. And I want Lagos airport to be on flames. Use the perimeter fence. Go and burn down Lagos. Anybody, if you have double barrel, if you have pistol, anything you have, give it to them, let them go and kill them, penetrate the airport and set Motown Airport on fire. Set it ablaze right now. Then the world will listen. You are dealing with animals. Fulani Janjaweed, they are animals. They do not reason. They do not reason. You don't know them. You don't know them. I mean, are they not killing people? The caller on the line, can you hear me? Yes, please. Yes, go ahead. What is happening where you are? How many policemen died? I don't want to hear they kill us, they kill us. How many did you kill? How many police or army did you kill? How many? They have bought the Lassa police station. They have bought it down. They bought the Select police station. They bought the Udele police station down. Everything is down now as I'm speaking. Thank you very much. There is, if you go to my page, you will see a flag there. Nigerian flag stained with blood.
No more they come. You see this cry, well, this one here. You better try, I will still play my video.
We have come to do what the class of 66.
You call it, Richard, I will still play the video I want to play. Okay?
So I want to ask, tomorrow, are we permitted to go out and do what we need to do? The protest is every day for the next 3 weeks. Every blessed day for the next 3 weeks. And you people must devise a strategy to outwit the army. As I said before, the army will face in one direction. There are some guns in Edo State right now as we speak. use those guns to kill 1 or 2 or 3 army officers, take their guns from them and begin to kill the others. Anyone you kill, you take the guns and you kill other people as well. That's how it's going to be. Because they cannot sustain this fight for 3 weeks. Before 3 weeks, if they continue to move their troops down, Boko Haram will overrun the north. Yes, and they understand they are very stupid.
Let me play one more.
And I want Lagos airport to be on flames. This is the interface. Go and burn down Lagos. Anybody, if you have the mobile, if you have pistol, anything you have, give it to them, let them go and kill them, penetrate the airport and set Mutam Mohammed Airport on fire. Set it ablaze right now. Then the world will listen. You are dealing with animals. Fulani Janjaweed, they are animals. They do not reason. They do not reason. You don't know them. You don't know them. Are they not killing people? The caller on the line, can you hear me? Yes, please. Yes, go ahead. My name is from Lagos. What is happening where you are? I was at Oshogapapa Expressway. There was shooting us there. It's 5 people that they killed this evening. How many policemen died? I don't want to hear they kill us, they kill us. How many did you kill? How many police or army did you kill? How many? They have burned the Lassa police station. They have burned it down. They burned the Select police station. They burned the Udele police station down. Everything is down now as I'm speaking. Thank you very much. That is, if you go to my page, you will see a flag there.
Don't worry. Now, where you talk now, you hear me. Oh, I go here. I'm tired. Don't worry. Now we are on a marathon of Nnamdi Kanu's broadcast.
I have said it before that I have no intention of seeking Biafra by peaceful means. No intention at all.
Sweet.
Oh, wow. Allow me to, on the 31st, if you come outside, you will
sit at home. Sit at home. Oh no.
If you're a road transporter, if you're a transport worker or whatever, you know how people behave. They want to die. Who can tell me what to do? I'm going to die. That day you will perish. On the 31st, you will perish. I know 1 or 2 idiots who carry their basket. We are going to market. Can they take home water day? And they hear you that day. The land will eat you that very day. And so when not to look for what the children will eat, the land will eat you instead. Any chairman of any market, be it Obani market, be it any market that opens on that very day, you are a goner. The lamb more. Highest thing they will write about it for 2 or 3 days and will be forgotten. It's another one we put on the 31st. Yeah, you know the way we love dead bodies. Your obituary will happen. At least we'll go there and eat rice.
Okay.
Dara.
I didn't know what
Monday
they
is the real
rice.
deal.
Yeah.
31st, nobody should come outside.
Like
if you have relatives in Oman, you can't tell them all. Don't tell them. Because they wait now, around 12, they'll start picking out. You see, I'm very foolish. Let me try and chill a year.
And they come. I just want you people to be judging by yourselves.
Our promise is very simple. If they fail to give us Biafra, Somalia will look like a paradise compared to what will happen to that soon. It's a promise, it's a pledge, and it's also a threat to them. They must understand this, that we've had enough of this nonsense.
Okay.
As the leader of IPUB, I am a very powerful man. I know that very well. I can decide who lives or who dies. I can decide to play God if I want to. I have over 2 million men under my command. I can destroy anywhere I want to have destroyed.
Okay.
Now you will understand. We will bury him with 2,000 heads. Ijele, so 2,000 heads. What my opinion is only 100. We bury him with 2,000 heads. He gone so. You don't know. Now you know. Useless or one Nigeria. All of you are there idiotic.
Okay.
The word Igbo is a cursed word. Or go and ask yourself what we have achieved using the word Igbo before. I ask people a very simple question. I say name. I don't say name 2 things or 3 things. Tell me what you achieved under the banner of Igbo, IGBO. One thing. It is nothing. You have our men prostituting themselves in the north, behaving like fools, like imbeciles under Igbo. You see them with red cap all over the place. For 9 days, they're still quarreling over who is going to bring out the knife. What you said, some nonsense. Calling yourself an Igbo person is sometimes a curse on its own as well, because I have not seen anything they have accomplished. Igbo IGB.
Igbo IGB.
I made it very clear before that I'm not.
Igbo IGB. Ola the year. Person we say they cause him, of course we don't say they cause his family. Okay. Now when I say make we leave, say that because of us. I wanna go here anyway. Person we say will they cost. You no go come back. They hear me. They go hang on. Then go hang on. We go use them. Do example. Prince Jagaban Nage, you know say we know. You know the group, you know see what you will list. The DJ team where we carry the go. What you say once and we go plan there, make everybody the hear them. We go plan, make people hear them. No know how they want to do. We will disgrace them. Since they want to drag Igbo inside this nonsense, we will disgrace them. We go, and that video, somebody commented that it's an old video. Yes, because I remember when that video trended. So now, imagine how many way they go don't do. So they, this one self, they recycle and we don't know. But today they recycle Nnamdi Kanu old video. Now we recycle this one. Now from Ugo page, I see him, and he said the thing happened on Monday. And those people were saying Monday in it. Yes, that video was but now because of sit at home, they do them. So that's the correction. That's the correction. I will edit the title. I will edit the title. That's the correction. So my people, thank you so much for joining us this wonderful evening. Mazi Nnamdi Mazi Nnamdi, I salute you. Everybody Mazi. Obunna, the only one I greet you people. How can Sowore do that? Whatever Nnamdi Kanu. My brother, what you say make I do? What you say make I do? When a guy himself say he want to use this one, man, he just saw this brand. I'm just telling you the truth. Okay? He just saw this. Somebody say, no, my brother, I don't have time for this thing now. I'm very tired. I need to eat. Yes. Thank you so much. I love you, my people. Stay blessed.